If your Peugeot 208 infotainment screen starts freezing, Bluetooth won't connect, or navigation gives incorrect directions, it can quickly become frustrating. The Peugeot 208 touchscreen system controls everything from media and calls to built-in navigation, so when it glitches, it affects your entire driving experience. Fortunately, most of these problems are software related and can usually be fixed with a simple reset before considering professional service. Important steps. 1. For a soft reboot, press and hold the infotainment power button for 5 to 10 seconds until the screen shuts off and restarts. 2. If the issue continues, go to the touchscreen settings menu, select System or General, and choose Factory Reset to restore default settings. 3. For Bluetooth problems, open Bluetooth settings, forget the paired device, restart the system, and then pair the device again. 4. For navigation errors, check for over-the-air updates in the system settings. 5. If updates aren't available wirelessly, download the latest map update from the official Peugeot website onto a USB drive and follow the on-screen installation steps. 6. Always perform resets while the vehicle is stationary with the ignition on.